My name is Jack Cosentino, and I'm the CEO and Managing Director of Medibio. Medibio is an objective healthcare company in the area of mental health. We have products that range anywhere from the risk stratification and screening to the aid in the diagnosis, all the way to the monitoring and management of the disease area. Technology was developed out of the University of Western Australia about 23 years ago. Since then, it's matured a tremendous amount. Over the last year and a half, we've been focused on commercialization of the technology. Just about 4 weeks ago, we launched our first division, which is called Corporate Health. It handles corporates in EAP settings and insurance companies looking at mental health amongst their population. And then we're launching in the next 60 days a consumer health division that has products to empower patients, humans around the world in the mental health space. It gives people the ability to be able to look inside at biomarkers within the human body in order to understand physiological responses to mental health issues. And then our last division, which we're just finishing up and submitting to the FDA, the first de novo submission, here is the Integrated Health Division. It's a clinical decision support system that clinicians use to better adequately handle their patients. Milestones, yeah, it's been a very interesting. I came in about a year and a half ago, and it's been a very interesting journey. I think we've done some great things. We recently got CE mark. We're going through the TGA process. We just finished a $2.3 million clinical study at about 7-8 sites around the world. Some of the best sites in the world are around being able to look at managing mental health. Others, we have got about 53 employees that we've grown to. I think when we came in it was about 6, and so the company is in a really good position to show the world what we have. The team is made up of some of the best out there in med tech. We've got great leaders all the way from our chief medical officer, who's a neurosurgeon, former neurosurgeon. We've got our chief technology officer, came from Qualcomm. Head of our first corporate health division, 25 years clinical psychologist. We've got over 200 plus years of psychology experience aggregated amongst the team. So it's a very bright, very actionable team who is quite good at what they do. So. A key message to investors: this company is a bit of a unicorn. We're built for scale in mind. I think that's the core. From our board, which is a very seasoned board, we've got folks like Michael Phelps and Patrick Kennedy on our board, all the way to all of the leadership, to every single member within the organization. I think the company now is in a position to completely change the way mental health care is delivered. It's an exciting time for us. We're humbled to do the work that we are. We're very servant-based as an organization, and I think that we have the technology. In fact, I know that we have the technology that will forever change the way that folks around the world who are struggling with mental health issues, suicide rates are skyrocketing. I think we've got some compelling technology for them. It's been a very interesting conference. You know, we knew some folks who were here. We had met some previous, and it's great to see some new faces. It's a great opportunity for a company like us that's multi-positioned both in Australia as well as the US to meet some new faces, some people who are quite interested in the health tech space, who want to hear about, you know, the good stories in healthcare. And so for us, it's humbling to be here. We're thrilled to share the message, and we really appreciate the opportunity.